Hello, how are you? I am so sleepy. Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and it is Saturday morning and I am tired. So, that's the story of my life, y'all. But I wanted to just quickly show you guys my Ipsy Glam. Is that the... Listen, I'm not even thinking this morning. The Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And the Boxycharm, not the Boxy Luxe, the Boxycharm. So I'm going to show you the products back to back. And I'm going to have to say, for the first time in a while, I'm actually not overjoyed with what I got. Like, I guess what I got was okay, but I don't know. Could it be that I'm getting tired of them, or I have no idea? But anyway, I'm gonna go into the products and just show you. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the Ipsy first, my Glam Bag Plus, and of course they always put in the little booklets or whatever of the products to let you know how much they are, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna go into the first product, and this is from Pixi. This is the Pixi by Petra Glow Mist. So here it is right here. Value is $15, and this is blah blah blah, step up your summer glow, shake it up, mist onto skin, blah blah blah. So this is pretty much, you know, a moisturizing mist, and I thought it had like some glitter in it, but then after you shake it up you really don't see it anymore. So it gives you a gorgeous dewy finish, has rose flower, lavender, aloe vera, fruit extracts to set your makeup. It hydrates, protects, and gives your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Now, I'm not saying I hate this product, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to use it or not, only because these types of sprays make my face a little oily, because this is for a dewy effect. This is for moisturizing and dewy effect. So I'm not 100% sure if I would use it. It smells, ooh, I got something in my mouth, but it actually smells pretty nice. It smells pretty pleasant. I like that it's the mist itself. It's very light and airy, so it's not like, you know, sprayed in your face with a, you know, with force or anything. It's a very nice, light, airy mist, so that's a nice thing. So maybe I can get away with it if I just sprayed a little bit like that, and not so much, because then my skin will get greasy. So yeah. So the next product, and let's see, this is from Purlisse. This is the Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. So I'm just going to open it up so I can show you. So here's how it looks. And the value of this moisturizer is $45. Former Rangers Villainous, whatever, I don't know. Asian skincare, blah blah blah. So it's safe for sensitive skin. Lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Hydrates and preps your skin for makeup application. Green tea helps protect from fine lines and wrinkles. White tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants soothe the skin and help to retain moisture, so your skin looks dewy and radiant. So you smooth a pea-sized amount onto clean skin before applying your makeup or wear alone. So I haven't tried this, obviously. Let's maybe see. Oh, okay, so this is how it looks. And this is definitely straight up moisturizer. You can see it's not running or anything like that. Doesn't really smell like too much. Not that I smell anyway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see how it feels. So, oh, feels nice actually. Okay. Now I kind of smell it now, and it definitely smells like, you know, botanical. You can smell, you know, the botanical ingredients that they have in there, but it actually smells nice. I probably would have to put just a little bit more on the forehead area, but so far it does feel nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit more on the forehead and see. It feels really nice, and it's not as thick as I thought it would be. It's actually nice. Okay. So I just wanted to go ahead and do that. Alright. It smells pretty nice. And I like that it's not overly thick. So if you have combination, or, you know, combination oily skin like I do, or you have, you know, greasy skin, you may be able to get away with this. So this actually feels nice. I don't think I would wear it in these days because I think we're hitting like some type of a heat wave out here, y'all. In New York, it is supposed to hit 100 degrees over here today. So as you can see, I am going nowhere. All right, so next product, this is from Naked Cosmetics, and this was the product I wasn't too crazy about. This is the 4-piece pigment set, and the value is $40. So I already know, you know, what it is. It's a 4-piece of pigments. So here it is. Now, I don't really wear pigments, really. I don't know. I just kind of feel like they're not. How do I explain it? I just feel like they're not so pigmented or so much of an effect. You know, I just am not crazy about the idea of putting powder pigment on your eye, unless it's like a glitter pigment or something. So these are the colors. This color, Naturally Nude. And then you have, what is this? Sierra Nevada, which is like a bronzy type color. Then you have, oh, I'm reading them wrong because they all say Sierra Nevada. Okay, so that's weird because this says Naturally Nude, and then these two say Sierra Nevada. I don't know. One is SN05 and one is SN02. So whatever. That's weird. And then the last one, the fourth one, says, well, SN04. I'm not even going to say Sierra Nevada because that's what it says. So yeah, so that's the pigment. I'm going to open one, I guess, just to see. Yeah, so, I mean, whatever. I don't care so much for pigments. Can you see it? It's right there. You see that? It's right there. I mean, it's okay. I mean, maybe I'll try it. Maybe I won't. If I do try it, I probably won't really use that much because I'm really not into loose pigments. But, moving on. And then, what else? Oh, next product. And this one was, I guess, the okay of the box. This is from Huda Beauty. And this is the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette in the color Pink Sands. And the value of this palette is $45. So you can see the colors here of the highlights. So you have a pinky one, a gold one, and then you have like this iridescent one, and this is like a champagne one. So I just wanted to show you that. That's the pinky one. That's Ibiza. Then there's the Azores, which is right here. Santorini. I like Santorini. That one's pretty. And then Capri, which don't see too much, but it's there. So that is the highlighting palette. I don't really have too much to say about the highlighting palette other than we'll see what happens, because it kind of, now when I'm swatching it, it kind of sort of looks a little chalky. But that may change if I put it on my face, so can't really say much about that palette right now. And then the last product is a mascara. It's the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn. And the value of this is $24. This is a heavy mascara, so here is how it looks. And I am like just so full of mascaras right now. But here's another mascara that, oh, this is nice. Here's the applicator brush, which is pretty big. It's pretty long, and it looks interesting. Looks like it may be promising. So we'll see. So those are the products I got. And then I'm going to show you my 2 add-ons, because this month, if you have Ipsy Glam bag, whatever, you can every month add on up to 3 add-on products. I didn't really see much that I was interested in, so I only picked 2 add-ons. And one is Real Egging Pack from Dilly Delight. So this is pretty much like a mask or a treatment for your face. So it's really cute. It's like literally an egg, and then you're literally just opening it up and you're blending it together, the cream and the gel, so it's kind of like the egg and the yolk and all that. I thought it was cute. I strictly bought it because it was just so stinking cute. And then the other product was this one. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. And I like Smashbox. I like their liquid lipstick. So when I saw this, I was like, what the heck, you know? So this is the color Babe Alert. So here is the applicator. And I'm just going to swatch the color on here. So that is the color Babe Alert. And I like their liquid lipsticks. So I figured, why don't I get it? Alrighty, so that, y'all, is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag or box. And now I'm going to go into the regular Boxycharm, not BoxyLuxe, Boxycharm. And I think I have all the products in there. I don't think I took anything out. Alright, so I'm going to show you. Now the first product, this is, let me see. Alright, I'm going to show this to you. Oh, okay. So this is the Luxie Gaia three-piece brush set. I'm going to go ahead and open it. I did not use these brushes. As you can see, they are all in here. Okay. So I'm just going to show you the brushes. So these are the brushes. Very nice. Okay. So this has a foundation brush, which is the 510, which is this one. Then it has the Luxie 250, which is a large eyeshadow blending brush, which is this one right here. And then it has the precision crease blush, which is the Luxie 246, which is this brush right here. So there you go. Yeah, so the next product is from Butter London. This is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, sorry, retail value on the brushes were $35. So the retail price of this product right here is $32. And I did try this out. Here are the colors. And I'm just going to be honest, I did try it out. And I personally am not crazy about this palette. I'm sure there are other people that are, you know, loving all over this palette. But for me personally, I didn't like it. I felt like, I don't know, I just felt like the colors were just not that great. I don't know, I wasn't crazy about the pigmentation. I used these colors and I used this green one. I tried to use one of these here. I don't know, the pigmentation, it wasn't that great. It wasn't pigmented enough for me. And it kind of felt, I don't know, like it didn't blend well. It was kind of patchy. I don't know. But my whole thing was I really was not crazy about the palette. So I'm not going to hate on the palette and say, oh, the palette totally sucks, because maybe there was people that absolutely loved the palette. But for me, I did not absolutely love the palette. So that's my opinion. Alright, so the next product, this is from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the Mother of Pearl Gloss. Retail value is $10, and it's a lip luminizer drenched in pearlescent reflex, formulated with sea blackthorn extract and chameleon oil. Wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner or lipstick. So this is again called Mother of Pearl. Looks very pretty. So I would definitely use this as a lip topper, because by itself it probably would not do much. So that is the gloss right there, as you can see. I mean, it's a gloss. It's not, you know, unless it's a liquid, high liquid lip shine or something, you know, don't expect to get any color out of that. Next product is from Appeal. And this is Appeal Gel Liner. And this is for your eyes or lips. So it says, line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. Retail value is $21. And this is in the color Desert Taupe. And I'm going to open it right now because I have not opened it. That way I can just swatch it. So this is a taupe color. Just going to go ahead and... Oh, this is kind of pretty. So that's the color, which is really nice. I actually do like that color. If I don't use it for an eyeliner, I may just use it as a lip liner. And let's see where this come from. Oh yeah, so this is the last product of my Boxycharm box, and this is from Elemis, and this is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. So get a shot of green goodness, nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Retail value is $35. So that is the mask. And we'll see how it goes. You know, I don't like peel-off masks. This is a regular mask, so maybe I will use this one. So those are the 2 boxes for my Boxycharm and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I don't know, I guess it was okay. I don't know if this month I don't seem like overly happy or excited for either of the boxes, really. The Ipsy, the pigments, I really don't care for. You know, other than that, I mean, I don't know, I guess it's okay. And the Boxycharm, you know, maybe I'm just getting spoiled with the Boxy Lux. I mean, I guess the products were fine. The Huda Beauty highlighter palette, that's a nice touch. I doubt that I'm going to use all of these colors for highlights, so I may have to maybe use it maybe as an eyeshadow or something like that. So we'll see what happens. The eyeshadow palette that I got in the Boxycharm, I'm just not crazy about it. I just don't like it. I simply don't like it. You know, again, what can I do? That's my opinion. So I'm sure if you got it and you got the product and you like it, awesome for you. So yeah, so that's it. If you are subscribed to any of these products, is that what we say? Subscribe. If you get these Boxycharm or Boxy Lux, let me know what you got. Let me know if you liked it or didn't like it. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching me. I don't know, I think I'm gonna go take a nap or something. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.